welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me tonight. It's me again. I'm here to speak to you, and I'm here particularly to speak to the women and females outside there, my sisters, my friends, young girls, and every female who is listening to me. This is the video to listen to, and this is the video for you. So I'm here to encourage my dear sisters. I'm here to encourage my small sisters, my big sisters, and also every other female from all over the world. I want to tell you, we as women are special. We as women are unique. We were born unique. We were made unique. We were created unique. And you know what? We've got the power to control and even to rule this world. I want to encourage you again and tell you, don't give up. Wherever you are, don't give up. I know what you're going through. I know it hasn't been easy. I know sometimes you feel like you're lost. I know many other times when you're standing there all by yourself, no support, nothing is there. I want to give you one word today, and my word is, don't give up. You are more than you think. You can do more than you think. Your limit, don't see right here. You are powerful. I want to tell you, anyone can change just because of you. Anyone can feel blessed just because of you. Just imagine what happens when a woman gets pregnant. The woman has the power of life. The woman has the power of carrying the human being in her body. The woman has the power to bring a human being in this world. Just imagine all that. So I want to remind you again, don't feel discouraged. Your time is right there where you are. This is your time. Your time is now. It's the end. It's the end of sorrows. This is the end of every sorrow, every tears. This is the end of everything. And anything you've been going through, any bad thing, this is the end of it. Don't give up, my dear sisters. This world, we are living in a very good era where women are highly valued and given full support, not only from the male people, but also from the political side. Women have the power to lift each other. Women have the power to change the world to a better place. I want to encourage you once again, smile, keep smiling, and smile as much as you can, because you are the only light in this world. When you smile, you enlighten everyone. You know, I want to encourage you and tell you, you don't have to worry what has been going on. You don't have to cry anymore. You don't have to shed tears anymore, because this is the end. The end is now. That's the end of it. And this is the day. The day has come where you'll no longer cry. You'll not cry again in your life. You are a blessed soul, beautifully and fearfully made. You've got the power. The power inside you is majestically. You cannot describe that power. You know, I want to tell you again, sometimes we as women tend to be, I don't know which is the right word to use, but maybe because of our nature, maybe because of how we are, we tend to be victims of circumstances. Not because we wanted to, but because the world tends to take advantage of us. You are not weak. You are not a weak soul. It doesn't matter where you came from. It doesn't matter where you started from. I want to encourage you again. Your background, your family, where you grew up, and many other things play no role to your future. You have the power of your future. The power is in your hands. Here is the power in you. You have the power to rule, to lift up your life, to grow psychologically, physically, mentally, spiritually, socially. The power is in your hands. I want to tell you once again, know very well, it does not matter how much pain you've gone through. I know sometimes we as women have difficult times, and the fact that we are not really, we were not born, or we were not created strong. Sometimes something small will happen and it really hits us really hard. So we tend to spend like most of the time just mourning. But why? Ask yourself why. You deserve a better treatment. You deserve the best treatment. Why? Because you are a queen. You're not just somebody. You are not just any other Tom, Dick, and Harry who runs up and down the street. No. You outside there watching me, you in your home, you wherever you are, I'm speaking to you. You are a queen. You were born a queen. You were born somebody, not just anybody. You are somebody special in this world. It doesn't matter how many words you hear from people. It doesn't matter how many things people talk against you. It doesn't matter how many words they use against you. No, it doesn't matter. You have the control of your life. You have the control of yourself. I want to remind you once again. I want to repeat this once again and tell you, ladies, women outside there, the world is beautiful. We are living in a very beautiful world, and this is the world where we can change everything. We have the power to change our surroundings. Just even when we don't like what is happening, even when that what is happening is not entertaining to us, we have the power to change. Do not give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. The mistake we women are prone to is giving up. We tend to give up so early. We tend to be weak sometimes and just give up along the line when we have come from so far, and we just give up at the middle shortly before we arrive. That's where we give up. I want to repeat this again. My friends, my sisters, my aunties, my moms, everyone, every female outside there, I want to repeat this again. Do not give up. You have the power in your life. You have the power in your hand. You are beautifully and wonderfully made. You looking at me. It doesn't matter how many rejections you've come across. It doesn't matter how many breakups you've gone through. It doesn't matter how many heartbreaks you have right now. You could be sitting back there, looking back in your life, and all what you see are heartbreaks. All what you see are just rejections. Why? No idea. You are beautiful and fearfully made. Let them reject you. Let them kick you out. Let them leave you. Why? Because you know what? You are an expensive gift. You are an expensive gift. That's why they reject you. That's why they choose not to get along other than break up. Don't worry. Don't worry. Just be fine. Relax. Sit down. Relax. Breathe in and breathe out again, because everything is soon going to be perfect. Everything will work hand in hand. Soon. All the tears that you've been crying, all the tears that you've lost, all that will turn to joy. You will sit back, enjoy, and watch them coming back to you. Just sit back, relax. In fact, relax. There's no reason to cry. There's no reason to regret. There's no reason to sit back there and whine the whole day. There's no reason. Go outside there, have fun, enjoy your life. My friend, there's nothing as weak as sitting back there after somebody rejects you, after a heartbreak, or somebody messed with you. Sitting back there and whining. Why? For what? For who? This is our weakest point. Another weakest point of ours as women is mourning and whining for nothing. Actually nothing. I call that nothing. Why? Because why waste your tears? Why do you have to waste your tears whining for somebody or people? Why? Good people will come and stay. You will not be chasing anyone. No. The right people will come at the right time, at the right place, and they will stay. They will settle. So let the goers go. Let the bygones be bygones. You've got nothing to do with them. You cannot change them. You cannot fix them. They're just weak in their own way. And why they leave is because they cannot afford you. They cannot afford the standards that you have. set for yourself. Be a woman of standards. Don't just lower your standards because you want something, because you are, I don't know what, you're looking forward to somebody. No, don't try. Keep the bar up high, higher than this. Let the bar be always up. So when somebody comes, it's not just coming to be comfortable right here. He's coming when the bar is right there, really up. Put the bar up. And after that, ask me. Because this, it has the power to everything. Know very well, when you are always down there, honestly speaking, it will be hard to rise up with somebody and put him up there. So it's better and it is advisable to put your bar right up there. So when somebody is playing around, when somebody is messing around with you, he cannot reach here because the bar is set really high. Well, I don't want to give you so much theory today. I think that's enough for today. I want you to sit back there at home. Think about the power of a woman. Think about how blessed you are. Drop your comments, drop your ideas down below this video, share it, and like my channel. Thanks for watching me tonight. I wish you a nice evening. Goodbye.